Welcome to VJ Tanks and Vessels, Kandla. Strategically positioned within the Special Economic Zone, this state-of-the-art facility offers unparalleled logistical and operational advantages for large-scale industrial manufacturing.
Basically, it's for the exporting only. And if at all some ODC dimensions are there, then our indigenous works also we are taking here from this plant. And that port is under the SEZ. So SEZ rule is applicable here. So everything, the customs clearance will be taken care here itself, and then we will export the cargoes from the port. And we have local transportation by axles and all multi-wheel axles we are using for shifting the over-dimension equipment.
Equipped with advanced cutting, rolling, and high-precision welding machinery across both the main fabrication shop and the KPT yard, the facility ensures maximum production efficiency and uncompromising quality standards.
We have the minimum requirement of those all type of automotive machineries we are having here. So that will be give the timely completion of export items. It's a time-oriented jobs here. So we have to concern about much on that. And we have all type of rolling machine and then welding with all semi-automatic and automatic. So all supporting. Maximum we are completing all those activities from here only because it's an export zone. So A to Z every activity has to complete here to avoid any hindrance. We have that all facility.
We are capable of rolling up to 85 millimeters thickness of plate, and we can cut up to 150 millimeter thickness of carbon steel plate. That means we have a CNC machine. We have a drilling machine capable of doing up to 100 millimeters height and 50 millimeter in diameter. Apart from that, we have a number of welding machines, semi-automatic welding machines, automatic welding machines, weld to overlay, strip cladding machines. So we have a facility to fabricate all these combination of materials. We have a qualified welding procedures, and we have variety of welding machines and other special purpose machines like beveling machine, clad removal machine, and drilling machine. So it starts from the material identification to blasting and painting. That is the last activity, and the nitrogen purging. The blasting and painting, we have facility to blast carbon steel, stainless steel, any material, even aluminium material. So carbon steel with copper slag and iron grit we use, and for stainless steel, aluminium oxide blasting and granulars we use. So this is the special purpose, and apart from that we do pickling and passivation activities for stainless steel equipment. And then PWST. So PWST we use two methods. One is internal oil firing, or another one is furnace firing. So pressing machine we can do up to 150 millimeter in thickness. So we are having n number of presses both for the pre-punching activities, because there is limitation. If you do pre-punching, you don't have to cut the flat end, because if you do the rolling on the rolling machine directly, so you have to keep some extra length both the sides so that it won't get rolled. That part will be removed after pre-punching. So we have a pre-punching machine to avoid that. Apart from that, we have presses for decision press. So our equipment, all the equipments will have decisions both the sides, either 2:1 ellipsoidal or hemispherical, spherical decision. So for pressing of those decisions, we have a presses. We can go up to 150 millimeter in thickness.
Spanning a vast operational area, the plant is powered by a highly skilled workforce and built with scalable capacity to seamlessly expand and meet growing industrial demands.
In Kandla, this unit, the Special Economic Zone unit, we have around 40 staffs and 200 workmen currently, but depending upon the load, we can increase the numbers.
Both the places are having the similar facility for handling the materials. Main intention for this is to shift the material as a O dimension. We are looking for those types of repeated order also to enable to complete in time, as well as a large size. It's exclusively can do from here.
The area of this plant is almost 15 acres,
and we can expand the workforce up to any number.
The maximum number I think went up to 700 workmen, and based on the job, it depends upon the job requirement, even we can go up to 1,000 also. We can mobilize any number of manpower.
Operating within the Kandla Special Economic Zone delivers significant trade and logistical benefits, streamlining duty-free imports, export procedures, and global supply chain integration.
Yeah, it's ideal location because the port is very much near and we can handle any type of equipment, any size. Now, both that's the reason we have both the area we have manufacturing location. So good able to complete any dimension and looking for that also. We are getting so much inquiries for this to do in single large pieces we have to export.
Being inside the special economic zone, so there is no tax for the equipments fabricated in this shop. So client will cost benefit. So they don't need to pay tax. And transportation point of view, so since the ports are near, Kandla and Mundra ports are near to this plant as well as near to KPT yard, so we can transport any over-dimensional equipments.
Designed for optimal workflow, the complex features dedicated zones for heavy fabrication, material handling, assembly, and quality testing, ensuring efficient end-to-end execution.
Here we have two big bays. So apart from that, there are three more bays or a small bays. So where we can fabricate up to 2 to 3 meters in diameter. So length, there is no limitation in the length. 50 meters, 60 meters in length also can be fabricated.
With a proven track record of delivering critical industrial equipment to premier domestic and international clients, VJ Tanks and Vessels continues to power major infrastructure projects worldwide.
For oil refineries, we have sent the columns and for the strippers and all from here. And for LPG storage purpose also, we have done the gears and all from here. And that some sugar factories also, we have supported the supporting equipment for running the sugar factories. That's we have shifted to USA.
We are happy to give you a snapshot of the key machines that we have at our Kandla SEZ shop. 70-ton crawler crane, Hydra 15-ton, airframe 20 tons, automatic painting machine, painting shed, 2,000-ton hydraulic press, portable beveling machine, Davi rolling machine up to 85 millimeters thickness, 2 airframes each of 60-ton capacity, scissor lift up to 12 meters height, EOT crane 30 tons, nozzle welding machine, nozzle ID weld overlay machine, inverter-based welding machine, strip cladding machines, and much more. We aren't just showing you machines, we are showing you our journey. This is the story of a facility that grew through hard work and heart. Here, precision is a promise, and every careful decision ensures we deliver our best. Winning many awards and accolades for the quality of products they have delivered so far, it has proven the fact that production quantity and quality can go hand in hand. Thus, we conclude by saying, VJ Tanks and Vessels, founded by a vision, fueled by determination, guided by integrity.